Hey guys, Ace here, and today I'll be jumping off a truck. So, yeah. I got a little scratch right there. Never noticed that, but let's go ahead and jump anyway. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm not going to land on that. I'm really going to land on the grass. It's really, really creepy. So I'm standing on this right now. I don't know how I'm going to hold this while I do it, but it's going to probably zoom in, but who cares? 3, 2, oh my god, this is scary, but it's freaking scary. Hi, but this is really scary, you guys. Really, really scary. Hi. Hey. But this is really scary. Yeah. So I think I should just have 1 foot on this and 1 foot back, so I can go ahead and go like that and leap off with 1 foot of power, 1 giant leap for my right foot, and then for this little left foot. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but it's really creepy. So let's go ahead and do this. I think I'm hyperventilating. Alright guys. This is it. It's really not that far actually. It's only like a yard. Okay guys, I'm really scared, but let's do this. 3, 2, 1. It's so scary when you get the feeling of doing it. 3, 2, 1. If I die, hopefully my mom finds this tape. And I love you guys. I love my girlfriend. I love all my friends. And I'm sad if I die, and I love all you guys. So, especially the girls. Okay, but anyway, let's go ahead and do this. I'm probably not going to die, so I didn't mean all of that, but I do. But I'm wasting time. I'm wasting my stuff. I die or not. Here he comes. You guys might not get a good view of this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3. I can't do it. It's like too freaking far. It's really freaking scary. How about if I leave this right here? You guys can see me. Oh, you guys can't. Probably can't see me from there. Hi. But yeah, I'm not gonna make it that far. Here we go. Ooh, this almost dropped and fell off of the truck. Probably isn't a good idea. Man. I'm gonna let you guys go first. Hope you guys have a safe landing. Nice! You guys landed it. Here I come. Screw it! Yeah. Oh my god, that was scary. I think I should do it again, but I'm gonna do it with you guys, because I landed like right there. I think that was fine. So let's go ahead and get up. Ouch! Let's go ahead and get up here. I don't think I'm gonna make it this time, guys, but I hope you guys do. Nice. Hurts so bad. Alright. I think I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Alright. So, might hurt, might not. Oh my god, it's like little teeny bits. You know what, guys? Oh, look at that beautiful freaking stuff. Screw it, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm freaking doing it. Alright, you guys count down to 10. And I'll count down with you in my head. Oh my god, it's so scary! It's a little bit. At least I'm not, that other kidding. Freaking. What's that? Alright. Screw it! That was fun! Okay, now you guys watch me. Alright. I'm gonna land right there. Hopefully you guys can see me. Alright. Okay, there you guys can see. Hi guys! Here we go! It's so freaking fun! Alright. Probably isn't good for football, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hope you guys enjoyed that fall. Bye! Oh my god, that was fun.